Hello everyone. Today is May 5th. It's a Tuesday and it's 6:41 p.m. here in Alberta. So I'll be bringing with you the latest with coronavirus around the world. So again, I'm in the World Health Organization website. As I've shown this to you yesterday, so this is the map of the world. The color blue is indicating the number of new cases, which is 86,030. Confirmed cases is 3,525,116, and the number of deaths is 243,540. So this is the confirmed cases over time. So that's the daily number. So this is the curve. So in January, the first case emerged in January 21st with 93 confirmed cases, and then it's slowly going up. And then highest so far is April 11, which is 90,778 with 6,143 daily increase. And then the latest as of May 4, 2020, the confirmed cases is 86,030. That's just in one day. So that's yesterday, and it's giving us a daily increase of 2030. So it's still increasing. And then if you look at the cumulative period, as you can see, the graph is showing us an increasing trend. All right, so when we look at the deaths over time, so this is the death. Okay, so when it comes to the daily graph, the first death was recorded January 22nd. So they gave us 3 deaths and 1 daily increase. So as you can see, it's slowly increasing there. And then the number of deaths worldwide peaked on April 30, 2020 with 9,785 deaths, and that's 4,407 daily increase. And then May 3rd is 8626 deaths worldwide, and this one is May 4. That's yesterday. This is a good news, guys. So May 4th, we only have 1,010 deaths worldwide. So the curve is slowly, well, that's a huge decline. So that's a really good news. And that's a negative 7616 daily decrease. So in today's forecast, guys, it's a good news. But when compared to the daily confirmed cases, it's not yet safe because the number of confirmed cases over time is still up. We won't know if these confirmed cases will worsen or be well. So we still have to apply safety every day. So when it comes to the case comparison, so we have Europe, Americas, Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, Southeast Asia, and Africa. I'll dig deeper here. So with the daily cases in Europe, this is the trend for the confirmed cases. So like so here, and then it's slowly decreasing, which is good. In America, it's giving us an erratic trend still, so it's still going up with a slight decrease today. And then Eastern Mediterranean is not good. It's showing us a slow decline here. And when you look at in today's date, it's May 5, they have 8272 confirmed cases. So this is the highest number in Eastern Mediterranean. When it comes to Western Pacific, they're so lucky. Their highest was February 13, and then it's showing us a huge decline up to yesterday or today, May 5th. So in Southeast Asia, particularly in the Philippines, because I am from there, so you have to be very careful, guys, because look at this. First case was on February 8 with 7 confirmed cases, and then nothing after that. And then boom, March 4, there were 22 confirmed cases. And look at this, guys. In Southeast Asia, the highest is May 5, which is 51 confirmed cases. So Southeast Asia, your case is starting to go up, and particularly today, this is the highest so far. Same with Africa. The highest is today too, which is May 5 with 2036 confirmed case. And then when we look at the country of territory, when it comes to the confirmed cases, still the United States of America has the most number of confirmed cases, which is 1,154,985, seconded by Italy, which is 211,938, and then third is United Kingdom, which is 190,588 confirmed cases, and Spain, which is 218,011 cases. So these are the top 4 countries with most confirmed cases. Then we also have France, Belgium, Brazil, Germany, and Iran, Netherlands, China. When you look at China, they are so lucky. Look at that. The highest was, doesn't have a date, February 12, 2020, and they have zero, well, they have a few cases. The last case was May 4th, and they have 8 confirmed cases. So China is getting better. When you look at Canada, the trend is still increasing, and the peak was yesterday. So Netherlands has a good trend. It's decreasing, including Iran. It's decreasing, but it's slowly increasing still, starting May 2nd. So they still have to take the necessary precautions. And then Germany is slowly decreasing too, which is good. Brazil isn't safe yet because it's slowly increasing. And then Belgium is slowly decreasing as well, and including France. So that's really good. Okay, when we look at the number of deaths per country, as you can see here, my friends, America still has the most number of deaths, which is 61,906. So when you look at the trend here, the trend here, look at that. Highest was May 3rd with 5,000 deaths. And then I'll dig deeper into that later. And then look at Italy, where it's showing a decline here, which is good because Italy was the first country to have the most number of deaths. And then United Kingdom, their highest was April 29th with 586 deaths, and now it's declining, so that's good. And then Spain, the number of deaths is declining too, but it's giving us an erratic trend still, so it's not yet safe. And then France, then Belgium is declining too. Germany, it's showing us an erratic trend. And Brazil, their trend is increasing. Iran and Netherlands are decreasing. And China, with 0 deaths currently, their highest number of deaths was April 16 with 1290 deaths, and now from April 18 to May 5 they have 0 deaths. When you look at Canada, guys, look at this, the number of deaths are still increasing, so it's not safe yet. Okay, when you look at the United States of America, there, okay, this is the confirmed cases over time, and look at that, it's still pretty high. And then when you look at the cumulative confirmed cases over time, it's giving us a stable increase, so this is not good. And that's over time is still increasing. So look at this, highest was May 3rd with 5,000 deaths and 2931 daily increase. This is May 4, they don't have any deaths, so that's really good. That was yesterday, and as of today they have 1196 deaths. So that's really, the trend in America is getting better, because after a horrible number of deaths from May 3, it went down to, so from 5,000 it went down to 1196 deaths today. Okay, and then when we look at the cumulative number, it's not safe still because it's still increasing. We still need to flatten the curve and go back to 0 number of deaths. Alright, so we'll go back here, and then we're gonna go to Canada since I'm here. So there's another way of looking at Canada's statistics, because it's they are updating, the website of Canada is more updated compared to the World Health Organization's website. So I'll show it here. So you just have to type in canada.ca, canada.ca there, and then you go to coronavirus or COVID-19, and then COVID-19 outbreak update. And then this is amazing, guys, look at this. They have very nice video of the total number of cases, and it's slowly increasing over time. So I'll show it to you. Look at that. These are the number of confirmed cases, and it's slowly increasing. And if you look at the graph here, they also have the specific province. So highest is in Ontario and Quebec. So if we look at the Quebec's rate is still increasing. So if we look at the specific, so click here, the map of total number of COVID cases in Canada. You have the specific numbers in each province. So as of May 5 at 7 p.m. So in Canada alone, the number of confirmed cases is 62,046, and then the number of deaths is 4043. So that's a huge number because Canada is not that populated compared to America or USA. And then if you look at the specific province, this is Newfoundland and Labrador. This is Prince Edward, Nova Scotia, they have 41 deaths. And then New Brunswick is 0. That's really good. And then if we look at Quebec here, guys, the confirmed cases is 33,417. And they have the most number of deaths. And then followed by Ontario with 18,310 confirmed cases. And the number of deaths is 1361. And then Manitoba has 7 deaths. Saskatchewan has 6. And Alberta, so since I am in Alberta, the number of confirmed cases is 5893, and the number of deaths is 106. That's pretty low, but we want our safety, so it's not yet safe to go to the park. Well, you can, go out and have a breath of fresh air, but it's not safe to go out yet if it's not important. And if you go out, you have to observe social distancing. Okay, and then British Columbia is 2232 confirmed cases. The number of deaths is 121. And when we go to Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, repatriated travelers, there are 0 deaths. So yes, that would be our COVID-19 forecast for today. And let's not forget about the Philippines, guys, because the Philippines is still my home. Okay, when we go to the Philippines, the number of confirmed cases is 9684 with 637 deaths, and the recovery rate is very, very good, which is 1408. So keep up the good work and keep on staying home and wearing masks. So that would be everything for today's forecast. And don't forget to visit the World Health Organization website. You can find more information about COVID-19 here. And see you again tomorrow, and have a great day. Stay safe.